College, Javin Pasha ji, Shantaling ji, and Muktadir ji, and all the students of the Ideal College. I welcome you again, once again, to the very esteemed tomorrow. We are celebrating worldwide World Environment Day. You know what is environment? Environment means surrounding. Our surrounding, if it is our surrounding is clean, we will be in a very healthy manner. So whatever the concept you have created here in Ideal College, it is highly creative. Restore our earth. If there is no earth, where we can stand? Because of the earth is, we are standing now. So therefore, conservation of environment is very, very necessary. Protection of environment is very, very necessary. In this context, tomorrow, all worldwide, they are celebrating the day of World Environment Day. And just now I have seen the Ideal College wearing all the creative, intellectual students. They have prepared eco-friendly bags. Nowadays, wherever we go to the shop, we will go with the plastics. We have to avoid the plastics. We have to avoid the plastics. We have to use all the gunny bags called as eco-friendly bags. This will restore our earth. Whereas if you use the plastic, again, it will create the pollution on the earth. If we do something towards the environment in turn will give enormous to us. So therefore, protection of the environment is very, very necessary nowadays because of this extreme temperature is going on because of the global warming. Earth temperature is increased day by day because of the ozone depletion and all that. So therefore, and I heard that tomorrow you are going to the Tripurant Lake for cleaning of the lake, conservation of the lake, protection of the lake, conservation of the water. So we need water for our survival. Without water we cannot survive. So therefore, conservation of water, cleaning of our ecosystem, cleaning of our surrounding is very, very necessary. In this context, Ideal College, Degree College, PO College, and all the whole institution is involved in this protection of the environment, protection of the nature. So therefore, I congratulate the president and all the staff members, students of the Ideal College, those who have come forwarded to this kind of very extreme activities like conservation of the nature. So we have to conserve the nature. Our slogan is, we have to protect our nature, we have to protect our environment, then only we can healthily live on this earth. Otherwise, we will not survive. This is a very small bite I am giving you. I am a Registrar Evaluation of Bidar University doing some sort of work towards the development of the higher education. Thank you very much.